Hey guys, so today the package just finally came. Now we're gonna do an unboxing. It's two stuff. Okay. Instead of a knife, I open it with a scissors because I do not want to I do not want well, the scissors just hit me. Well, I'm not okay, but I don't want to use a knife because the knife is too dangerous for me because I'm just an adult child. Well, let me face the camera down and I'll show you later. Here it is. It's this built-in boost-up wireless charger. Now let's open this first. Okay, I'll face the camera down and open it. Still opening it. Sorry if it's taking too long because sometimes in somebody's unboxing videos, they always face the camera down. Yeah. Now here we got it. Let's open it up. Whoa, look at this bad boy! And last but not least is this emergency crank radio. Seems legit. Well, right now I'll try to turn it on. It's by iRons now.
National Weather Service forecast for the coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Fire Island Inlet this afternoon. South winds 10 to 15
That's very cool.
Up to 20 knots. Seas around 3 feet. Swell mainly from the southeast with a dominant period of 12 seconds. Tonight, south winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Diminishing to 5
I'm very happy with these packages. Also includes with the USB cable. And also this. Thanks guys for watching.